Hey guys, it's Callie. Welcome back to another video. I haven't filmed in a couple of weeks. Today is Monday, November 4th. If you guys are new here, I am a nursing student and I make videos related to nursing school, but the past couple of weeks have just been like super busy and I just really didn't have time to film. But anyway, yeah, today is gonna be a Sunday reset Monday edition. And what I mean by that is like, you know how everyone does those like Sunday reset videos where they clean and they get their life together and everything before the new week. We're gonna be doing that today, but on a Monday because today is Monday. So it's actually like a Monday reset. But anyway, I just feel like my room really needs a good deep clean. My bathroom needs a good deep clean. I need to plan for the week. I planned like a couple of things so far, but that's it. We're on week 11 out of 16. And I'm in semester 4 out of 5 of nursing school, for anyone who doesn't know that. So yeah, we're gonna clean, we're gonna plan, and then if we're feeling extra productive, I might clean out and organize my closet because I really need to do that. My closet is a disaster. I can show you guys in one of the next few clips, but there's just a lot of stuff everywhere. And yeah, but first things first, I want to clean up my room. She's a mess. And then clean my bathroom and plan, because I just feel like doing that puts you in a good like mental space for the rest of the week and just makes you feel like you have a clearer head, like when you know what's ahead of you for the week. Does that make sense? But yeah, anyway, so that's what this video is gonna be looking like. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so when you first walk in, ignore my socks. This is what it looks like. So she's pretty messy. There's like blankets on the floor. That's a basket of dirty clothes, laundry there. Just, she's a mess. So we're gonna clean her up. I want to go through my closet and move like some of this stuff into there, but my closet is a disaster. Please don't judge me, guys, but this is my closet. So as you can see, there's like no walking space in here. So we're gonna tackle some of this and make some room, make a little pile for clothes to go to Goodwill, and then make some room to put some of this stuff in there. And then I've got this board here that this used to be on this wall over here, like behind the TV, but when I got the TV, I took it down because it was just, I didn't really want that board up there anymore. It was a cute board, it's just not the vibe that I'm going for anymore in my room. So we're gonna also deconstruct this, and I'll do like a time lapse of everything with you guys. But yeah, we're gonna do that and then take out that garbage, unpack that bag because I was at my boyfriend's for the weekend and it's just got a bunch of clothes in it that need to be unpacked. And yeah, make the bed. And then when all of that's done and I have like everything put away and organized, I want to Swiffer and vacuum because these floors are gross. We used to have carpet, and ever since we got the carpet replaced with wood floors, they get dirty so fast, so easily. So yeah, I'm gonna Swiffer and vacuum, and I'll do like a time lapse of all that with you guys, and then I'll see you guys on the other side. Guys, I had a latte from Dunkin' this morning and now I'm having that Celsius that I showed you guys, and so I've had a lot of caffeine today and I think it finally kicked in because my room looks crazy right now. Like, I wasn't gonna clean out my entire closet and I decided to full send it, and now my room is insane. Like, there's just stuff everywhere, like literally everywhere. Update, I'm laying down in bed because I feel so lightheaded and jittery from that coffee and Celsius. And then, you know, when like you're hyper fixated on something and you're doing it for a while, but then you sit down and you lose your like mojo. I lost my mojo and now I have all of this that I still need to clean up, but it's mostly done though. Like, everything is pretty much done. I just need to like take that bag and put it in my car for Goodwill. But the closet's like mainly done. Okay, I'm all done vacuuming and Swiffering. My room feels so clean. I'm so happy I took the time to clean it and everything. And then this is what my closet looks like now. I can actually walk in there, which is so nice. Obviously, there's still like a lot of clutter in there and like a lot of clothes I still need to go through, but it's a lot better than it was. And then over here, I just have this basket of bags. And then in this basket, I just have like loungewear. So like hoodies, crew necks, sweatpants, like anything that just doesn't need to be hung up. And then in this basket right here, I've just got some journaling stuff. And then I just threw this purse right there. And yeah, I'm so happy I cleaned it out, you guys. I literally feel like that improved my quality of life. Like, if you know, cleaning out your closet is, I don't know, that's just like the one thing that I hate to do is cleaning out my closet when it's like a mess. But it feels so good. Like, I can actually like walk inside of it now. And it just feels so good to have like a nice clean room too now. Like, I don't know, it's just, there's something about having a clean room that just feels so good. And I mean, I still have like a lot of stuff that I need to go through and organize, like this cart here for one. But the issue is space. Like, a lot of the stuff in this cart I actually don't want to get rid of. Like, a lot of it is like painting supplies, like down there, and like markers and things, but I just don't have the space for it. Like, I don't know where to put that stuff. So for now, I've just been keeping it all on this cart here, but in time, I do want to go through and like, I don't know, clean it up a bit and find places to put things. Just go through like more stuff in my room and clean out more stuff. But for now, my room feels so much better. Okay, now we're gonna plan. I'm at my desk. I've got my planner here, my laptop with my canvas pulled up, and then all of my highlighters and stuff in here. I always use the like zebra mild liners to highlight. If you guys are new here, I color code all of my classes in my planner like at the beginning of every semester. So for Complex Health 2, I'm using this like turquoise color. Everything for clinical is in this like red coral color. And then our coordination of care class is this like orange. And then our evidence-based practice class is this like blue color. It's different than like this one though. And then for anything miscellaneous like the gym or just errands I need to run or like Castle Branch stuff, like anything that doesn't pertain to classes gets this purple color. And yeah, So I'm gonna plan now and I will update you guys when I'm done and go over everything that we need to do for the week with you guys. Okay, that really did not take long, but I'll go over it with you guys. So today is Monday. I think I already said that, but on Wednesday we have this Module 6 quiz due for our med-surg class. We normally have clinical on Tuesdays, but our clinical for this Tuesday is canceled. And then, so our second exam was supposed to be last week, but the lockdown browser that we use was not working. So we all showed up to our exam ready to take it, and then it got postponed 1 week because it wasn't working. So we were supposed to take this last Thursday and I was like all ready to take it, and it is what it is though. So I'm gonna have to study like for that again all day Wednesday, or at least review everything in my head. So then we have that exam Thursday morning, and then 1 week from Thursday, we have our med-surg ATI exam next Thursday. So I put here to study for that exam like every single day. I want to dedicate some time studying for it because it's a very big deal. That exam is basically what determines our preceptorship. I'll explain that more in a second, but then all of these Quizlets, these aren't actually due. These are just like how I take my notes basically. So I want to just finish my notes for renal disorders part 2, renal disorders part 3, and then I have this clinical midterm paper that I need to finish. So yeah, I'll talk about it more in my next video, but basically that med-surg ATI exam that we take the Thursday after this one is a really big deal because it determines our preceptorship based on how well we do. So my entire nursing school cohort for like level 3, which is what we are, we all got to basically say like choose what specialty we want for preceptorship, but no areas are guaranteed and you're more likely to get the area that you want based on how well you do. So the better you do, the more likely you are to get the unit that you want. I chose the NICU for preceptorship. The odds of getting it though, I know are super slim. We have 263 people in our cohort and there was 1 spot for labor and delivery and 1 spot for mother baby. And then the NICU has a limited number of spots, but there wasn't an exact like number. So yeah, I chose the NICU, and then I chose a hospital that I would prefer to have my preceptorship at. So I could get the NICU, I could get that hospital, or I could get neither of the above. It all depends on how well you do on this exam coming up. So I'm very nervous for it, and I really, really, really want to do well because I really, really, really want preceptorship in the NICU, or at least at that hospital that I chose. But again, there's 263 of us. The odds are like so slim, but still I want to try my best and try to study as much as I can for this exam. But it's hard because we have this exam on Thursday that we were supposed to have last class that I need to study for again, and then we're taking that on Thursday. So it's like I gotta study for that for our complex health 2 class. And that exam is all on like cardiovascular disorders and endocrine, which is strange because normally cardio and respiratory are together, but that's how they're doing it this semester. But yeah, so we have that exam on Thursday, and then the next Thursday we've got that med-surg ATI exam that's like a really big deal. So yeah, I really want to do well on it, but I am nervous. And ATI exams are very hard. If you know, you know. I've actually heard a lot though that from like people who graduated that ATI exams are harder than the NCLEX. I've heard that. I don't know if it's true, but that's what people have said. So I'm hoping that's true because ATI exams are not easy. I think that's going to be everything for this video though. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely feel a lot better now that my room is clean. I've planned, I feel organized. I feel ready like for the week ahead of me. So yeah, it was a little bit different than my usual videos. I normally do like week in the life videos, but I had fun changing it up and filming this. And maybe in the future I'll try to do like weekly like Sunday reset vlogs or something. I think that could be fun. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already, make sure to subscribe for more videos from me in the future, and I will see you guys in the next video.